Hello and welcome to another update video about Dogecoin. So on the Doge chart, we are currently witnessing a reaction to the golden ratio level after this decline. It might be complete. It's too early to confirm that. I mean, we've had this initial rally, which started, I think it sort of started in June, June last year. Very ugly rally here to the Fibonacci extension. Where was that top Fib extension, the 1.236 extension at 23 cents. Basically, from here, we've seen this long correction, pretty much in line with other charts. It started in March. We've dipped into the support region. The 61.8 retracement is a key level, basically the golden ratio level. It's one of the main Fibonacci levels. And the correction could be technically complete. So the wave count is full. There's always, when we are watching for reversal, doesn't mean it has to happen from here. That is when we are, however, watching for it, and when I can give you basically an indication of what I need to see for it to really confirm a low. Now, first of all, we have to understand that we are moving here in this corrective price channel to the downside, which means short-term bearish, really. But at some point, it obviously needs to break out, right? So we could be on its way, Doge could be on its way to the upper boundary line. And I will tell you what we need to see again to call that B wave finished. After that B wave is bottomed, a C wave to the upside would be expected. Going to the 1 hour time frame, we can currently see that there has been quite a sharp reaction, to the 61.8 retracement around 9.5 cents. We had this move up, which looks like a 5-wave move on a smaller time frame. Unfortunately, on these small time frames, on this scale, it's too unreliable. We've seen a dip into a micro support region that we talked about in, I can't remember, did we actually talk about that in the video? I might have only mentioned it on Discord. And then from here, obviously, the third wave rally could unfold. However, price action from yesterday's low, when the price bottomed at 9.8 cents, that's not convincing for me yet, okay? So this micro support region remains relevant, which means first condition is for this to move higher is that it's holding now the 9.66 cent level. At least we don't want a sustained break below it. If we get a break below it, it will increase the likelihood of another low. Next step. Okay, if we really have a first small 1-2 setup, which is worth, it's worth being skeptical about it at the moment. But then we would like to see the next degree. And that is really where we can talk about, okay, that's what we need to see in order to confirm that we've bottomed. Basically, it's important that Doge now reaches in a possible third wave, highlighted here in yellow, the 1.38 Fib extension. This is placed at 13.2 cents. Basically, the waves are roughly where I need them. The fourth wave would then give us a retracement, often towards the 100% extension or a little lower, so around about 12 cents, maybe 11 cents, 11, 12 cents, another retracement. Maybe 11 is a bit low, but 12, 11 and a half. And then from there, we could get another high. And that minimum requirement for that fifth wave is the 14 cent mark. So 14 cents or ideally higher. That is really what I would like to see. And if we get these 5 waves, I would start to, it's the first confirmation that we've bottomed in this B wave. Until then, we obviously still have parameters to watch. We have some Fibonacci resistance here between 11.3 and 12 cents. There is a trend line which runs down here. We have 3 touch points. That could be watched as well. And it goes through the resistance area. And then we have a structural resistance level at 12.9 cents as well that could be observed. So these are all the key levels that now need to be broken. But what really matters from an Elliott wave point of view and from a structural point of view is that we need to fill in all these 5 waves to 14 cents or higher. That's my update about Doge. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.